everyone! Hope you're all doing great. Before we dive into today's topic, I've got some interesting news for you. There's an official announcement on Dog's Twitter page suggesting that by early 2025, dogs might actually hit the $1 mark. Now, we don't know for sure if that's a guarantee, but the fact that it's posted on their official page and shared across multiple sources means it's at least worth paying attention to. We're almost at 2025, so this is happening soon. All right, today's video is all about a bot that could potentially help you earn 1,000 dogs coins every single day with minimal effort. Let's check it out together, and I'll show you if this bot is legit and how you might profit from it. I've received tons of messages on Telegram from people asking me to test it out, so I decided to share my experience with you guys and hopefully help you make the most of it. Before we jump into it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on new tips. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. All right, let's get to it. The bot we're looking at today is called Dogs Miner. Essentially, this bot allows you to earn dogs coins by watching ads and completing simple tasks. In return for spending a bit of time with these activities, you could be getting around 1,000 dogs daily. Now, you might be wondering if earning 1,000 dogs daily is really that valuable. Well, right now, 1,000 dogs is only about $1, but if the price of dogs actually goes up to $1 as predicted in early 2025, then you could be looking at a major payout. Every 24 hours, the bot gives you 10 dogs for free, which appears in your Balance section on the dashboard. On top of that, it offers up to 1,000 ads per day, each lasting only about 13 seconds. Watching these ads could get you up to 1,000 dogs daily. Think about it. If each ad only takes 13 seconds, you could watch hundreds of them in a short amount of time. Some people use auto-clicker software to speed through these ads, but I can't officially recommend that. However, if you decide to go that route, set it to click every 15 seconds, so each ad registers correctly. Once you're ready, just click Start, and you'll see ads pop up one by one. After each ad, you get credited with 1 dogs. Repeat this throughout the day, and you could hit the 1,000 dogs goal. Aside from watching ads, you can also earn by visiting specific sites, which rewards you with around 0.1 dogs for each visit. All you have to do is click Visit, and it opens the link. Just go back to the bot after a few seconds, and you'll receive the reward. The bot also has a referral feature where you get a small bonus for every active referral. However, they only pay out for active referrals who are actually using the bot. Now let's talk withdrawals. The minimum withdrawal limit starts at 250 dogs going up from there. However, this bot only allows withdrawals to a Binance account. You'll need your Binance wallet ID to cash out your earnings. Just open your Binance app, navigate to your profile, and you'll find your ID right there. Add it to the bot, and you're all set to withdraw when you reach the threshold. Once I hit that minimum of 250 dogs, I'll be testing out a withdrawal myself to confirm if the bot really pays. I'll post updates in my Telegram group, so join in if you're interested. You'll also find proof of other withdrawals from different channels, both local and international. Finally, the bot has an extra earn section, which includes daily tasks. These could be things like joining a Telegram channel or completing small activities to earn extra dogs. But the real earning opportunities lie in the ads and site visits. So don't just focus on the small earnings now. Consider what this could turn into if dogs' value actually rises in the coming months. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to join the Telegram group to get the daily code and stay updated. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.